All right, for this one, I'll do some practice on my on joins, inner joins, particularly on this one. So what we'll do is, let's say, let me come up with some idea to what I want to track down because I haven't really looked thoroughly through this table, so I want to make sure that my idea is actually leading somewhere because there's it's just me coming up with an idea on top of my head. It might not even work. It might not even make sense because I am not I'm not currently familiar with these tables all too well. So let's try to do, let's see. So let me take a look at the address table. Okay. Address ID. Looking for IDs. City ID. Okay, so we got 2. All right, and let's do customer. Alright, so we got customer ID. Okay, so we got address ID in both tables, so we can try to connect them. Okay, this is what we'll do. We'll try to connect. Let's say, let's do by. I mean, we can do it by anything really, but let's do by email. We'll connect it by email. So we'll select. We'll do email. So what we need to do, let's do select by email from this table, and from district from the other table. And okay, so that it doesn't really matter which table I'll do first from. We'll do from address first, since I have this one pulled up. Address. Okay, so now we perform an inner join on this table with a customer on. So the both tables we can connect on our address ID. So it'll be address dot, which is actual table, address ID, which is the column we've joined on. And then we'll do customer dot address on dot address ID. So this should be connected with that. And so let's see if we can kind of specify. This is just will join all the tables, or the whole thing, right? Let's say we just need email and district. So we can do, let's say, so we'll get the emails from a certain district. Actually, I think there was Texas district in there. So we'll do where district equals, let's say, yeah, Texas. That should work, I think. Boom. So we just got all the emails that are registered to Texas district. That was simple enough. Okay, so let's do another one. Maybe something that has a little bit more joins on there too. So we'll delete that. Okay, so we got that. All right. Let me just kind of just look through some tables, see if I can come up with an idea from actor. Okay, so we got actor ID. Let me kind of jot this down on my notepad on that monitor so I can, because I'll be forgetting. I gotta remember my ID tables because that's the tables I'm gonna be joining on. Okay, ID in actor. Okay, so we got that. So there's really, okay, so we just got the name in the last update. Okay, let's do a film. Let's see if I can connect actor to the film table, because I don't think there is actor names in this film. So yeah, we just see the titles. We do not see the actual actor names in any of these tables, in any of these columns. So we have, so we got film ID right here. That's the primary film ID in film. Okay, do we have any other tables? We got language ID Okay, the other table only had actor ID. I don't think we need to be joining on language ID. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so we have film actor table. Let's try this one. All right, so this is the table that will connect both of the other tables. So, and it has actor ID and film ID in film actor. Okay, so let's see if we can connect all these tables. Let me pull up select. Let me pull up actor ID table real quick. Just gonna refresh on it. Okay. All right, so we got that. So let's say we want to pull up movies based on actor's name. So we're gonna need. From film. Let me just check out. We got title right here, so that's what we need. So we'll select title. Then let's do. I think it was the last name. First name. That's what we need from the previous table. Let me look at. Let's see how we're gonna join these. From film, inner join on. We're gonna have to join on film actor, I think. Film. Let's see. Okay, I'm skipping film actor on, and the tables we're gonna need that we have in this one is film ID. Okay, film ID on this one, and then film actor on film ID. Okay, so these should be connected. Then we're gonna have to drop another inner join on. I guess we can do like, we can say it as I guess it's kind of should be okay as it is. Okay, inner join let me see, it's kind of actor on film actor on, I think it was actor ID on actor ID. Let's see. I wonder if it's gonna work. All right, it actually works. It works. Now we just gotta throw in like a name. It would be like, let's say we want just movies with Chase, or let's see. Yeah, Chase is short enough name for me to not misspell. Where, okay, so it would be first name equals to Ed, like this, and last name equals to Chase. Boom. All right, it works perfectly. I cannot believe I always mess up at least once somewhere around here, but I actually got it on the first try. Yeah, so let's see, let's kind of go over this. So what I did was, so we need title, last name, first name. Then these three tables are not directly connected to each other. So we got a film actor, which is like intermediate between the film and the actor. So we got to join through this table, since this is a table that has all the key columns for me to join on. So we did that. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, it works. So yeah, it does look good. So yep. Just kind of looking over. All right. I think I'm satisfied with this one. Till next time.